Hey guys, welcome to WrapPixel. In this tutorial, you will get a comprehensive guide on the installation and customization of the admin template that you have recently downloaded onto your local system. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using one of the templates from WrapPixel. The process remains applicable to all the other templates as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial.
Welcome to WrapPixel. In this video, I will show you how you can download the Material Pro, which is actually built on React framework and using Bootstrap, and how you can install it on your local system, and then how you can actually customize it and use it for your own project. Right. So we have this Material Pro open on my default web browser. As you can see, we have 4 different dashboards. So we have the calendar functionality, maps, charts. Here you can see you can also change modes. We have different color themes. Let me show you the dark mode. Right, so this is the main project. We will come back later to see how you can change it. So once you download and extract the files, you will get these files, right? There is one Word file. If you'll open it, you will get 2 links, which is basically a Figma link to check the designs. If you want to check the designs, you can open it, and if you want to install download the PDF files, you can go for Dropbox link. Right, let's go to the documentations. So here you will get all these steps, how you can customize it, how you can download it, what are the requirements to install it on your local system. And as you can see, it says that it's built on React.js and it's using React Router 6. Apart from it, it has React Strap. React Strap is basically the bootstrap for React. It's Redux toolkit. It's using React Router, then CRA, SAS, Apex charts, calendar, etc. Right. This is the link. If you aren't getting it, or if you're getting any error while installing on your local system, then you can raise a ticket. It says that it works on all the latest web browsers, example Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Right, so these are the steps that we need to install on the local system. We'll come back it later. Let's go to the landing page. Here you have few index files, which is basically built if you want to check the live demo version. If you click on live preview, this will open the application on netlify.app, which is basically a hosting platform. Here you can check the whole project. Right, right. So let's get back to the documentation. So it says you need to have 2 things installed on your local system. One is Node.js and second is npm. So it has given all these steps. If you want to check that your system has Node.js or npm installed or not, then you have to go to the search and then open the command prompt. Here you just have to type node space -v to check the node version. So my node version is 21.1, and to check npm version you just have to write npm space -v. Oops. It's 10.2. right, so mine has almost the latest one. If you do not have it, you can install the npm version like this, npm install hyphen global, and to check it, as I told you, npm hyphen, either you can write version or just v. To download NodeJs on your local system, you just have to go to the official website of NodeJs, which is nodejs.org. Here, as you can see, the 20.11 is recommended for the most users. It's the most stable version of Node.js, and the current version is 21.7. So you can go for 21.11, and you just have to click here and then install it on your local system. Right, once you install both the packages, Node and npm, then you just have to go to the project files. Let's go back to our project file. All the main files are inside the package. Right, so here we have two main files, basically the starter kit, which has all the basic UI components. You can go for it, either you can go for the main one. I'll show you the main one. So this is the main file. Let's open our code editor. I'm using VS Code. Once you open your code editor, you just have to go to the select folder and select main, and then open it. Right, so this is the package.json file. As you can see, we have libraries installed. Let's open the terminal. Either you can use this, and let's install the node modules. Let me show you. Let's close it. Right, now it says you have to install npm, which is node modules, inside your working folder. So this is our main folder. We just have to write npm space I, which is basically a short form of install, and then click enter. It will take few minutes to install node modules, and then we will start our project. So node modules have been installed. You can see a new folder has been created by the name of node_modules. It has all the modules of the libraries installed. So now you can run the project. Let's go back to the documentation. It says to run the React admin project, you just have to write npm run dev in the command prompt, and the project will open on localhost 5173. Let's write npm run dev and then click enter. Right, now you just have to, either you can just copy it, or you can press Ctrl and then click on the link. Has been started. Let's go back to the documentation and see how you can actually customize it. It says how to deploy. If you want to deploy the project on the server, you have to run this command npm run build, and it will create a build folder, and then you can deploy it. To change the logo, uh, you have to go to this file. So since there are two layouts, vertical and horizontal, so there are two different files for logos, and since there are two modes, light and dark, again for the dark mode we have different icon, and then for the light mode we have different icon. Let's go to this part and see how you can change the logo. It says src layout, inside logo, and then logo.js. This is the file we have, and this is the logo component. Right, so this is the dark icon, it's the logo dark text. From here you can change the logos, and for horizontal layout we have a different file. for horizontal layout, right? You just have to paste it here, import here, and then change the files here. For to change theme fonts, you have to go to the variable.scss file, which is basically in the assets. Inside the assets, we have scss and then underscore variables dot scss. This is the Google link. So currently we are using Poppins, as you can see. If you want to use any other font family, then you just have to import that Google API link here and then change the font family here. Save the file and it will be changed. Right. To change the top bar background color, we have customizer slice file, which is basically in the store. Let's go back to the src folder, then open store. Inside customizer, we have only one file, customizer slice.js, and inside it we have this. So it's the default file. It is one of the main file of the project. It says it's the initial state. As you can see, this is the bar, this is the top bar, and it has the primary color. If you want to change it, so this is the initial state for now, and we have these following colors, which is basically bootstrapped colors, default colors. So let's go back and change the primary to dark and save the file. See, now the initial default top bar background color is dark. From customizer slice file, you can change it to any color which you like. So I've changed back to the primary one. So it has changed to primary color. This is how you can change sidebar background to. Yes, this is the one sidebar BG. This is the file. It says white. Let's see how many colors do we have. Let's change it to warning. I have saved the file. See, the sidebar color has been changed to warning, which is basically a yellow one. Let's go back and I'm changing it to white again. And this is how you can change the horizontal layout. It's a boolean value true. You can make it false if you don't want it. Is dark is true for dark layout. And if you want to change the layout, which is basically on the right side for now, if you want to default change it to the left side by default, then you can make it false. This is the main folder structure of the project. We also have a Firebase authorization for login and logout. I'll show this to you later. This is the main file inside the public folder. I think we have all the okay, we have the fab icon inside public folder. Inside src we have all the main UI components. Inside store we have the Redux store. Inside assets we have images and other SCSS files. So we have two layouts, full layout and blank layout. Logo we have inside layouts, inside logo. To check router, you can go and check this file inside routers. So this, as I told you, this project is also using Firebase. Firebase is basically Google's product for it's actually built in a backend, so you don't have to code much, and then you can directly go to Firebase and set up your backend there. Since we have the authorization for login and logout, so this project is using Firebase. If you want to use it, use it, and if you don't want to use it, you can build your own backend as well. Yes, so icons, uh, the project is using feather icons and bootstrap icons. So this template is using 6 colors. As you can see here, we have primary, info, danger, success, warning, and dark. If you want to change any color or you want to add more colors, then you can go again to this file underscore variable.scss, which is inside src assets scss, and then inside variables. So these are the colors, and if you want to use more colors, then you can add into this file, and if you want to change any color, then you can again change the color from this file. If you'll go ahead and check the UI components of this project, it's built on React step, as I said earlier. So if you'll see, you can install the dependency. It's already installed, you don't have to do it again. But if you want to build another project from scratch, then this is the way you can install React Strap, and this is how you can import components from React Strap. We have mentioned most of the components here, like alert, badge, breadcrumbs, buttons, drop downs, etc. But if you want to explore more about React Strap, then you can go to the official website, which is hosted on github.io. It's reactstrap.github.io. Here they have mentioned all the UI components. As you can see here, when you click on show code, it will show you the actual code of the UI component. Let me show you that. If we'll go back to the project, as you can see here, it says import card from React Strap, right? So if you want to add more pages, so this is the file that you have to manipulate a little. It's inside the layouts, then sidebar, then sidebar data, and then sidebar data again. So I'm just copying it in the dashboard one file again, just to show you. I'm saving it and I'm going back to the project. As you can see, now we have 2 dashboards on the side menu. Like since we have 2 layouts, it's vertical and horizontal, and if you'll go to the horizontal one, we don't have the dashboard one again, which I just copied. So if you want to add it, then make sure that you are adding it on the horizontal sidebar data 2, like this. Now you can see we have dashboard 1 again. So basically it's a new page, and you just have to mention the href here where you have created a new page. Just put the link here. You can change the icon if you want. Make sure to change the ID also, and then you're ready to go with your new page. I'm just removing it again. See, the page has been removed from the horizontal layout. Let's check the vertical one. Okay, the page has been removed. So these are the basic customization process. and I showed you how you can install on the local system and then you can customize it. But you still have any queries left, then you can surely go to the support.wrappixel.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.